And just like that, your Greg's Rewards card is now added to your Apple Wallet and ready to scan whenever you visit the store. Once it appears inside Wallet, you won't need to open another app or carry the physical card. To make this work, you'll need a third-party wallet app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for StoCard. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. On the home screen, you'll see commonly used reward cards. Tap the Add button in the top right corner. Now search for Greg's Rewards and select it. You can either scan your rewards card using the front camera or enter the card details manually. After adding the details, tap Save. Once saved, the card will be automatically added and synced, allowing you to access it directly from Apple Wallet. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we showed you how to add your Greg's Rewards card to Apple Wallet using a simple workaround. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.